Hey guys, so welcome back again on the episode 10. This is a continuity of episode 9 where we have created all the components or the parts which we are going to do an assembly on this episode 10. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and try to watch all my the playlist videos that wanna be helpful for you. This now we gonna create an assembly and gonna mate with all the parts. So without wasting much time, let's get started, and please do subscribe, like and comment if you have any clarifications. So let me try to insert the base, I mean the body, and then we'll insert one by one. Go to insert component and go for browse where we can select the body was my part where I have to insert. So I will select OK so that it will be coordinated with the at the origin. If you do with this, like this is an interference, I mean like the Solidworks user interference, like if it be selected there, the origin will be offsetted from the center plane. So always go with the OK so that it will be aligned with the plane at the center. So now we're gonna insert the other rest of the parts like bros, cap, pad and pin. Gonna select OK. So let's try with all other parts one by one over here. So this rest all we gonna keep it as not a floating condition. It can be a floated, but the first part which we are going to insert to the assembly, it always has to be at the fixed position. So this part will not get moved even if I drag, but whereas the other parts can be moved, so this will help us to mate with this part. So now we have a pin. So first we'll try to assemble the pin for this with the base, I mean with the body. Gonna yes, concentric. Even for the concentric, what we can do is like we can arrest rotation so that this won't get rotated. So now I'm gonna select this edge and I'm gonna select the other edge on the bottom. So now this part is fixed, I mean completely defined. So you can just move and drag and put it on the bottom of the body so that you have a assembly procedure. Like after the body we can assemble the pin, and then we have to bring it the pad which supposed to get assembled over here. So I'm gonna create a concentric, yes, and for this I'm gonna log with this hole with the pin, along with the pin, like again I'm gonna give it a concentric. So now it this both like concentric and the pin which is got arrested. So two axes got arrested. The one axis which is on the Y supposed to get arrested. So I'm gonna select this face and the bottom face are coincident so that it will be get completely merged with the body. So now the pad also been assembled. So I'm gonna move that into the third assembled part. So now I'm gonna assemble this. Something is wrong. One second. Okay, so I missed this key slot. So let me open this part. Yeah, sorry guys. So I've been missing this feature while creating this body. So let me create quickly so that we can use this option to mate with the bros material. Okay, so this is supposed to be a 14, and from this edge probably like we'll make a convert entity and then we'll remove this all. Yes, perfect. So this two lines supposed to be symmetric, and we'll make this as a 9, and I'm gonna create an extrude cut. Okay, sorry, a trim to be removed these two edges, and then I'm gonna select an extrude cut up to the surface. Yes, perfect. So now we'll match the face as red, since this all supposed to be a machined. Yep, fine. So let me save this part and then come back to main assembly. Yes, now we have the slot to assemble. So now I'm gonna select these two surfaces to be a concentric, and I'm gonna create a width mate between these two. I'm gonna select first, and now I'm gonna select these two. So yes, I'll select OK. So now this surface and the bottom surface has to match. Perfect. Cool. It may not be like that. It's not supposed to be at the bottom, like maybe 54, 28 and 29. It is a 48. But whereas we have, so the 10 mm gap should be there. So it's supposed to be get assembled with this surface, not with here. And I'll remove this. I'm going to select this face and this face. Yes, perfect. Cool. I'll select OK. So process ready. The other part which is coming on the other side. So now we will try to flip it. It's gonna be a concentric. So I will match with this face over here, and this face supposed to be made with this surface. Cool. So it's all like 5 parts be been assembled, like the one which is on the bolt and nut. So we have to select 14 and 10, M14 by 100. So let me go to external bolt of that. So we'll go with this grade for time being. Let's see. Oops. Okay, let's see. It's getting assembled. Like we will be having a standard component library, so that we can select a length of the bolt. So since it's M14, we don't have. It's 16. Okay, fine. So this we have to select a proper grade, maybe a high grade of that. It's gonna be a screw. So we'll try to structural. We'll try with that. Let's see if possible. Yes, M14. I need M14. Okay, it's M16 is available. So M16 was a standard, I guess. Like there's no grade which is available at the standard. In SolidWorks, do we have the standard, such standard? Let's give a try with the other fine external head screw. Sorry, not external. Fine thread and screws. Okay, let's try with this. M12 and M16. Oops. So we don't have enough option, so we can change this to M12 and go with an M12 option of 100. Yes, thread length we can decide that from the direction. So I want to be mention this to can select, and by having the other phrase, like we'll go with the net external net with again with flanged. Yes, perfect. Since there was no standard, so I'm gonna try with the different hole bolt. So it should be assembled. Like we can change the hole. It's all like just for the representation. So if you are knowing well known in the design, like we have to do calculate of M10, M12, M14, M16. So M14 was not in the current library. It's a special bolt which we have to order from the specific supplier or a specific vendor. So now the complete assembly is ready. So please do refer the previous the episode, so where we have created all like individual components one by one. So hope you guys like the video. I think we are now done with this component modeling, so I'm gonna plan with the interesting next episode or a playlist where we will learn a lot of other stuff in the SolidWorks. So until then, bye from Shapeit. So have a good day. Please do subscribe and have any comments on the below. I'm happy to help you always. Thank you guys. Bye bye.